Okay, hey there, my beautiful pink ladies. It's your girl Pinky. I took you ladies' advice and I did do the white tips on my nails. Yay! I tried to do a video and show you ladies how I do the powder and all that other good stuff, but I had the most difficult time and I wasn't satisfied with the thickness and the acrylic, but it took me a little longer. This time it took me like 2 hours, and it usually takes me like an hour and maybe extra 30 minutes or so, between 15 20 minutes. But this time it was quite a bit of work for me. I don't know why. So so far this is what I'm working with. Let's see, there you go, the white tips. And then for my decorations, so far I've decided to go with my bows. So I have the pink and silver bows, and then I have the white bow with the silver, and I have the white bow with the silver on the thumb and the finger. What's that? That's not my middle finger. It's not my index finger, but you see the finger. And then I have the pink and silver bow on the other 3 fingers. And now I'm trying to decide what other decoration, stones and all that other hoopla I want to put on there. So I still have all this extra stuff out, and I have more decorations in here, more stones and lollipops, and then I have all the extra goodies in this bag too. So I'm still working with it, but right now I'm a little fluttered and frustrated that it took me so long to get both hands done and just to get these few little decorative bows on there. So I'm just going to take a break and go from there. And yeah, here's a close-up of the little bows I was using. Hopefully you ladies can see that if it's not blurry. But they're really cute. And yeah, I'm going to finish, and hopefully you ladies, my pink ladies so far, like my outcome. Let me know what you think, and if you would suggest anything that maybe I should put on there. But for right now, I think this is going to be it for tonight because I'm tired. Love you. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.